GCSE Maths Higher students, this is the nth term of a quadratic sequence. For this nth term question, we go through the same steps. So we begin by finding our first difference, 6, 8 and 10, and then our second difference, 6 to 8 is adding on 2, and 8 to 10 is adding on 2. To find the coefficient of the n squared, the number that goes in front of the n squared, we divide that number by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so our sequence is 1 n squared. Now in our final answer we don't have to write the 1, it's just the n squared. But we don't know what our remaining part of the sequence is. So here's our quadratic. We need to subtract the n squared sequence from our quadratic to find out what's left. So our sequence is 4, 10, 18, 28. From that we're going to subtract the n squared sequence. The n squared sequence is 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3 and 4 times 4. 4 subtract 1 is 3, 10 subtract 4 is 6, 18 subtract 9 is 9 and 28 subtract 16 is 12. We now need to figure out the nth term of this part in order to put that here for the last part of the sequence. So this sequence here, it's a linear sequence because it's going up or down by the same amount each time. So 3 to 6 is adding on 3, 6 to 9 is adding on 3. That means it's most like the 3 times table. Well, it is the 3 times table, which is 3n. And that is the nth term. There's no adjustment needed at the end, it's just 3n. So we have n squared plus 3n for the nth term of that sequence.